Recovery after THERMlight to the chest involves compression. So there's really not much you need to do other than compress the area down so that the skin is encouraged to tighten up and flatten out as it heals. This can be done with a gynecomastia vest as well as an Under Armour shirt. If you had any other procedure performed at the same time, such as gynecomastia treatment or pectoral implant placement or fat grafting to the chest, I will refer you to those recovery instructions. But if all you had was THERMlight to the chest, really all you need to do is wear compression for up to 2 months if you can stand it, especially for the first 3 to 4 weeks. You can exercise and do whatever you want after 1 week as long as you are wearing compression. You can shower that day, the day of the procedure, and you can go swimming after 1 week. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.